working on a 2023 mt07. Customer contacted me, said they're trying to do the oil change, and so happened, unfortunately, stripped the threads on the oil pan. I told him that I can come pick up the bike as a service fee, towing, and repair it at the same time. I took a look at it, and so happened that there wasn't really a lot of room to drill and put a helicoil in there. I didn't want to take the chances on cracking the oil pan, so I decided to use a self-tapping oversized oil drain. That in the center there's an Allen that you can remove to be able to drain the oil for easier access. It came with a couple of gaskets that I had given and the actual tool. The size for it was M14 by 1.5. Overall, the job was easy. Helped the customer out. They're happy. On to the next.